Are you having problems with your Tonkeeper Wallet app that it's not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same issue before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So basically what I did firstly was that I closed the app, and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So just go into your settings app, and now you should be taken to a page very similar to this. Now on this page, we're just going to scroll down, and then we're going to click where it says General. So click on General, and as you can see, you should now be taken here, which is great. So now in here, just scroll down, and then you're going to click on Storage. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is great. So now what you're going to do on this page is very simple. You're just going to scroll up in here, and you're going to find the search bar up top, as you can see. Just search for Tune in here, and then click on the Tonkeeper app, and then you're going to click on Offload app. And once again, click on Offload app in here. Just wait, and then click on the blue button here once again. So basically now just wait for your Tonkeeper app to completely update to the latest version. So I did this myself, because what you are going to do now, you're going to force your Tonkeeper app to update. Basically, you're going to force it to update. And for me, this actually worked, but try it and see if this also worked for you. And if this still is not working for you, it might be either a Wi-Fi or mobile data issue, that it's not strong enough, your signal basically, or it can just actually be a worldwide problem for Tonkeeper app themselves, and they have to firstly fix it before anybody can access it basically. But hopefully this video will be able to fix it for you.